Hello my lovelies, it's Odette. Welcome back to today's video. Hope you guys are well. Thank you for watching. Thank you for coming in. Thank you so much for tuning in and spending this time with me. Happy Sunday. We are in the month of January. It's a bit of a gloomy day outside, but I thought, you know what, we're just going to put the robe on and just sit here and do a video for you guys. This is a little haul. And of course, if you are new to my channel, it is a skincare and beauty channel. I am 60 years old and I showed you guys all of the skincare products that I have used on my face to clear my skin off so I can achieve beautiful skin as I'm getting older. I am wearing a full face of makeup today. I do not have any wrinkles on my face, no crow's feet, no. My skin is really beautiful, I have to say. Anyways, of course you guys know all of the skincare products that I have used on my face to just clear my skin up, so follow along for some tips and you can probably achieve the exact same results as well. But today we do have a haul and we are just gonna get started. Let's go. So the first thing we're going to talk about is this body scrub. You guys know that I love my body scrubs, especially in the winter season. Oh my God, I double and triple up on my skincare when it comes to the winter season because it is so cold and I want to be able to have my skin stay hydrated and moisturized. Now this is a lovely body scrub. Hope you guys can see that, and I've used it before. And this is the I Love Wellness from the I Love Wellness brand. This is from Shoppers Drug Mart. It is a very nice body scrub, not very harsh. And I love to have, I love to use body scrubs with that has like a little bit of an oil base where your skin can stay soft and beautiful and hydrated. Love that. I'm going to leave all of these things in the description box for you. So next I do have these face wipes, and these are from Garnier. There are two brands that I really like, from Garnier and also from Neutrogena, because I find the face wipes from Neutrogena and Garnier to be very hydrating, and it does not strip your skin or make your skin feel really dry. The Life brand face wipes, oh my God, do not buy those because it's like putting a grater across your face. So don't do that. Try these ones from Garnier or from Neutrogena. And again, these have in it micellar water, and it really helps to remove all of the makeup and again keeping your skin nice and hydrated. And so we're going to talk also about Pacifica. This is another one of my skincare brands I talked about several times on my channel. And this is the Pacifica Glow Baby Brightening Peel Pads. And these are nicely saturated. Again, as you can see, I have been using it. And I think I have shown you guys these before. They are not very big. They're nice and light. And you need to use the side that's a little bit more embossed, and that's the side that you're going to put on your face. Like after I wash my face and I go in with my toner, this goes on top, and then I go in with my serum, and then I go in with my moisturizer. And again, this is going to help to brighten up the skin, even up the skin tone, and remove any pigmentation, any dark spots, and even your skin out nicely. And you can use this on your elbows, on your knees, on your chin. You can use this anywhere you want, but this is just mostly for the face. But I mean, if you do have dark spots anywhere on your skin, you can try using these. And again, it is very soft. It does not dry your skin out. And again, this is from the drugstore, Pacifica. You can also get this from the You can also get this from the Healthy Planet as well. And here it is. It's the Pacifica Glow Baby Brightening Peel Pads. They are absolutely lovely. Great to have for your skincare routine. It's a must. And let's talk about this lipstick I'm wearing. You will have already seen this lipstick on Instagram. This is called Overstatement, and I love this lipstick from MAC. And I find the bullet to be a little bit larger. And this is normally the normal size of the MAC lipstick, but this one, for some reason, they're making them a little bit bigger. But it looks really good. And again, this is called Overstatement. This is so pretty. I'm wearing this today. Absolutely gorgeous. If you follow me on Instagram, you would see a picture of this on Instagram. Amazing. It is a matte lipstick, and of course I went in with Chestnut, but I did pick up another Chestnut lip liner. I do have another one, but I mean, it's one of the popular lip liners from MAC, and it went really nicely with this lipstick. Again, it's called Overstatement from MAC. It is absolutely beautiful. Again, here it is, and I'm going to leave this in the description box for you guys. It is so pretty. Love that. Oh my god, it is almost like a red bricky color, but it is absolutely gorgeous. And of course, it's going to go fantastic with the lip liner called Chestnut, Mahogany. Whichever lip liner that you want to use will be totally fine. And I do have another lipstick here from MAC as well. This one is called Stay Curious, and I haven't tried this one yet, but I'm going to be definitely doing a look and wearing this lipstick for you guys. And this is just basically the standard size bullet for this lipstick. Again, it's called Stay Curious. I mean, look at this lipstick, how beautiful it is. I don't even want to swatch this on my hand, but I think I'm going to do it for you guys today. This one has a little bit more of a shimmer, although it's a matte lipstick, which is called Overstatement. This is Stay Curious, which is a little bit more matte. The colors are a little bit almost the same, but it is absolutely stunning and gorgeous. Great for this time of year, the fall season. MAC, you've outdone yourself. It's absolutely beautiful. This is Overstatement, and this one is called Stay Curious from MAC. Lovely. So next, I do have this moisturizer from Laroche Posay, one of my top skincare brands that I have used when I started my skincare journey. And this is the moisturizer for oily skin. So if you are an oily skin girl, you need this moisturizer. The one that I have is almost finished, and I didn't want to run out, and I thought, let me get one, especially for this time of year. It's going to help to keep my skin nice and moisturized and prevent my skin from being too oily. And here it is. And again, I've talked about this one several times before. I haven't used it yet, but this is an amazing skincare brand. Laroche Posay is one of those skincare brands that make their products that's really geared to your skin problems. I mean, the skincare line is amazing. Again, from the drugstore, from Laroche Posay. And this is a daily moisturizer for oily skin, and it's anti-shine. And it does not clog your pores, and it's anti-enlarged pores. It's going to help to keep your pores nice and small. There it is from Laroche Posay. Everything is going to be in the description box for you guys. So next, I do have this perfume sample, and this is from Rabanne. It's called Million Gold for Her. I saw someone did a review on this perfume on TikTok and on YouTube, and they were talking about how amazing and wonderful this perfume smells. And I thought, I'm really happy this is just a little tiny sample. As you can see, I've been wearing it, but I feel like I don't really like it. Let me just try to put it on again. Maybe I'm going to grow into it. I mean, I don't know. It almost smells like a heavy men's cologne, but it almost feels like it's has this feminine scent to it as well. It's kind of in between, and I feel like it's giving me kind of old lady smell. I mean, I don't know, but I think I'm going to have to work with this. Maybe I'm probably going to like it, but it's just okay for me. It just doesn't, I don't know what the notes are. I'm going to have to look it up. Oh, it has rose, white flowers, and musk. I don't know. But again, I'm really happy that it is a sample and it's not the full bottle. Because of course, the full size is quite expensive. Again, it's called Million Gold for Her by Rabanne. And I don't know. we'll see how it goes. So next I picked up this blush from BlackRadiance because you guys know that I don't really have a lot of blushes. I have one from Natural Cosmetics. I picked up one from Wet n Wild. I've got one from e.l.f. from Temu, I think, but I don't really wear a lot of blushes. I'm wearing a blush today from Morphe, which I really like. But this one is from BlackRadiance, and I don't even know the name of this one. Let me just try to see if we can open it up for you guys and take this out. Why is this? I'm just going to rip the package. It's so hard to come out. I'm just going to pull it apart. And this is, ooh, this is the package right here. And, oh, seems to be a nice one. I cannot test this for you guys because I already have a blush on my face, but I think I like the color of this. I think it's really pretty. Let's see if we can figure out what this is called. It's called, I don't know. It's number 8305 from BlackRadiance. And of course, this is the blush right here, but I'm definitely going to be doing a makeup look using this blush for you guys. And this is a makeup remover, and I got this from the Healthy Planet, and I cannot say the name of this. It's a nourishing cleansing balm, but to be honest with you guys, I've used it and I really like it. It has a very, very light scent to it, but again, cleansing balms is not something that I use very often on my skin when I'm cleansing. But this looks really good when I saw this in store, and I thought I'm going to try it. But I'm gonna give you guys a good feedback and let you know what I think of this, because normally whenever I'm using anything new, I like to give it at least 3 to 4 weeks to see if there's going to be a big difference on my skin. But this seems to be pretty good. Again, like I said, I've used this already, and it seems like it worked to remove all of my makeup. But my first step to remove my makeup is always the cleansing cloth, and then I can go in with whatever I feel like doing. But this is pretty much new to my collection of skincare products that I just purchased. And yeah, we're going to see how this one is going to work, and I'm going to let you guys know how I feel about this. So next I do have this product here from Neutrogena. I'm loving this. I'm loving this. This is the Stubborn Blackhead's Daily Serum. Now, this is like magic in a bottle. So if you do have those stubborn, really, really stubborn, you know, dark spots all over your face that you just can't seem to get rid of, you need this. And again, it's a daily serum, and I love the cover of this. It has a nice pointy tip right there, and you need a little bit of this. You don't need to put this all over your face. So for example, if you do have let's say some stubborn dark spots anywhere on your face, you need to just dab this anywhere you wish, and you just rub that into your skin. And this is basically going to melt right into your skin. It is very, very, very soft and gentle on the skin, and this is going to help to remove those stubborn dark blackheads and spots that you do have on your face. And for you dark ladies, if you think for some reason that you cannot get rid of this darkness in the side of your cheeks, you are mistaken, because I think it's something that could be hereditary with black women. You know, you do have this dark patch right in the side of your cheeks. You can definitely get rid of it. I've shown you guys products already to get rid of that, but you can also try this. Again, this is from the drugstore from Neutrogena, and again, this is called the Stubborn Blackheads Daily Serum. And you can use this twice a day, as much as you want. It has salicylic acid, and it's a good treatment to remove those stubborn dark spots from your face. You must try this, and listen ladies, thank me later. You will not be sorry when you try using this product. And again, every time I'm trying like a brand new product, I always like to use it for at least 28 days. And within 28 days, that's when your skin cells usually turn around, and you're going to see a big difference on your skin. Trust me, this is going to work. So next I do have this product here from r.e.m.beauty, and this is from the shopping channel. It says Youthful Reveal Instant Reset Collagen Cleanser, which helps to resurface and rejuvenate the skin. And this is one of those cleansers that is going to get down into your pores and remove all of those gunk. This is going to clean and exfoliate and brighten your pores and minimize your pores as well. And I have been using this, and I can see the difference on my skin. It is an amazing product to have. You can get this online, or you can get this from the shopping channel if you do live in Canada. Okay. And last but not least, again, this is from r.e.m.beauty. This is the shaping oil. It's almost done. Okay. This is going to tone and tighten and transform your skin. If you do have, let's say, stretch marks and cellulite, you need this product. Thank me later. Listen, guys, don't take my word for it, okay? Don't take my word for it. Do your own research on these skincare products, and they are very inexpensive. I got this on the shopping channel, and you guys will not be sorry. If you want to get rid of that cellulite and the stretch marks before summer, get yourself this shaping oil. It's going to work magic for your skin. And on that note, I think this is all of the things that I want to share with you guys today in this haul. I'm going to lift. I am going to leave everything down in the description box for you guys. If I'm going to have to pick anything from what we talk about today, this product from Neutrogena, this is going to be my top product, my personal pick for skincare beauty products for 2025. The year just started, but I honestly love this product. And again, you can get this from the drugstore. So we are going to leave it here for today. Everything is going to be down in the description box for you guys. Let me know what you're doing for your skin. What are you using for your skin? Are you on a skincare journey? I am 60 years old, guys, and this is my skin, okay? Of course, I'm wearing makeup today, but whatever. You've seen me without makeup several times. So I hope you guys are doing well. Happy New Year to you guys once again. Come back next Sunday for another video, and toodles.